Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Okay guys, it's finally that time. I'm going to be announcing the winner of my Jeffree Star Cosmetics giveaway. So if you're new to my channel, I usually do pretty much all the time whenever Jeffree's having a launch or whenever he's doing mystery boxes of his own. I love doing a little mystery box here on my channel, and you guys adore when I do it. So what I do is I fill a box with Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and pretty much one lucky subscriber gets to win all of the contents of the box. They're honestly as good or even better than the mystery boxes Jeffree Star sells himself, and I love doing this for you guys. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of what today's lucky winner is going to be winning, and I think you guys are going to be absolutely shook. So before we jump into that, I wanted to talk to you guys about something super interesting that one of my subscribers sent me yesterday. So I'm going to throw it up here. So a subscriber sent me this picture and they asked, do you know anything about this? Have you seen anything like this before? And I literally have not. Like, have you guys ever seen this before? I'm pretty sure, based on what she told me, she's from Finland, and I know that Jeffree Star Cosmetics does sell in store in certain locations in Finland. So I'm thinking they accidentally put this out before they were supposed to. What do you guys think? Like, do you think this is a fake? Do you think that this is really happening? Do you think that it's part of the extension for the Shane and Jeffree line? I know that's going to be announced super soon. She did mention that it was part of a gondola. She didn't fully see what was on there. She knows she saw a new gloss, and she knows she saw the palette that has the green, like the mini controversy. So we know that. I don't know if these were a fake, if it was real. I have no idea, but what do you guys think? Pause this video, leave me a comment right now. This is good tea, this is hot tea. What do you guys think? I want to know. Also guys, I don't know if you heard, but this morning Jeffree Star went on his Instagram stories. I can insert it here.
Because this Saturday, there's gonna be a new video on my channel, and bitch, I'm just gonna say it. It's the next Jeffree Star Cosmetics reveal. Oh my God. I'm so fucking ready for this next collection. If you're into rainbow, acid, bright, crazy colors, this collection will not be for you.
He is pretty much saying, don't expect bright colors, don't expect crazy colors. Was I right? Is it gonna be a goth palette? Is it gonna be a neutral palette? Like, what is it? This suspense is absolutely killing me. Like, I cannot wait. Now I just feel like maybe I was right in some respect. He's saying it's not bright, crazy colors, but that could still mean it's goth. Like, it could also mean it's neutral though. I literally don't know. What do you guys think? On Saturday, we're gonna find out. That's literally a couple of days away. I cannot wait. And by the way, guys, do not be discouraged if you did not win this giveaway that I'm about to announce. With Jeffree's launch, you already know I'm gonna be doing another giveaway on this channel. I love doing giveaways for you guys, especially when he does new launches. It's so hard for us to be able to grab it all the time. Okay guys, let's jump into the good stuff. Let me show you this box. Okay, so first of all, we always wanna do like a really cute design on the box. It's honestly such a little simple touch, but it's such a nice pick-me-up. You guys love the way we decorate our mystery boxes. So this time, because it was spring, I wanted to make it super floral and beautiful, and that's exactly what we've done here. I literally love the way this looks. This will of course arrive in a larger box, so you don't need to worry about it obviously being sent like this. It's not going to be, but I think it adds such a cute, springy, nice touch to the whole thing. I literally love it, but enough yam-yammering. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so the first item is, boom, the Jeffree Star Cosmetics gloss. I literally love this gloss. It's so pretty. If you're familiar with MAC Cosmetics formula, it's very similar to that. It's thick a little bit, it's a little sticky, but it looks gorgeous and lustrous on your lips. You will absolutely love this, and it's in the shade Diet Freeze. All right, next we have a liquid lippy in the shade Romeo. So guys, I love, as you can tell today, I love in the summer and the spring, like doing really simple glam and then adding a pop of color. And that's exactly what Romeo is. It is a bright watermelon, almost pink. It's so, so beautiful. I feel like it's gonna make your teeth look super, super white. I feel like the winner is going to absolutely love this and get a ton of use out of it with spring and summer coming right around. And let's move on to the next lippy. So this is in the shade Restraint. So I do believe this has a little bit of a sheen to it. It's an absolutely unique and beautiful color. I can see using this, like if you did a darker lip or a complementary color to this, this looks almost like a silvery, maybe lavendery. I feel like if you just took some of this and just dabbed it in the center of whatever lip look you're going for, it's gonna double the size of your lip. It's gonna make it look super lustrous and just give it that ombre effect. I think this is such a cool, nice addition to have in your collection. So congratulations to the winner on that one. And let's move on. So the next item is, bam, Brain Freeze. Guys, this is so beautiful. This is actually my own one. It is stunning, guys. Again, such a perfect highlighter palette for the spring and summer. They look a lot less wearable than they are. I've worn every single one of these shades. They're absolutely beautiful. Yours, of course, that one is mine. Yours is gonna come nicely wrapped. I haven't touched it. All for you, you lucky winner. And let's move on to the next item. So we have this gorgeous burgundy side bag. I think this is perfect if you're a walker, if you are going to somewhere where you don't want to take one of your fancy bags and you just put this on. It's perfect to just go over your shoulder, perfect for putting your phone in, for reaching in, throwing a lip gloss in. Obviously, I don't have to explain the perks of a bag. You guys get it, but I think it's so cute. I'm not going to open it because I don't want to ruin it for you, but it has the Jeffree Star Cosmetics on the handle. It's so, so cute. So yeah, that's the next item in the box. And let's move on to the last item. We have, boom, Blue Blood. Guys, this is such a beautiful palette. I've gone on and on. I've done a million tutorials with it here on this channel. It is such a good addition to have for any makeup lover. You want some go-to blues, and this is exactly that. Yours, of course, comes wrapped in the original wrapping, which I didn't want to touch. I wanted to preserve for you. And yeah, congratulations so, so much to the winner. I'm gonna throw up his Instagram here. He's been such a lovely subscriber of mine. Congratulations to you. Please, guys, don't be discouraged if you did not win this giveaway. I'm going to have a ton more on this channel. I do all the time, as you can see. And that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys so, so much for watching and participating in this giveaway. I absolutely love doing them for you guys. Please, again, do not be discouraged if you didn't win. I do giveaways all the time here on my channel. I love giving back to you guys because it really, really makes me feel so good, and it also helps my channel to grow. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a like if you like these giveaways and if you want more of them. Please don't forget to leave me a comment down below. What did you think of the items I included? Please let me know. And please don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me out when you guys subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, guys.